Okay guys, I'm over at the Caribbean Beach Resort now. Now this is actually one of the two pools on the side of the Skyliner. We previously shot the one with the pink buildings. This is the yellowish orange. This is where it's located, the main building over there to the left. Smaller pool. You guys can actually see this from the Skyliner if you're up above riding the Skyliner. All these smaller pools do come equipped with all these lift chairs here. These pools do not have lifeguards. Now, I've been doing a lot of these smaller pools lately, and it's shocking because I thought they all didn't have them. Some do, some don't. So over here, I'm guessing it's the size of the pool that requires the lifeguard. So this one's a smaller pool, no lifeguard. Another option if you're over here at the Caribbean Beach, because at least you get to swim, you see the Skyliners going over. That's how I actually saw this pool being empty today. So I said, you know what, let me get down here and film this while I'm over here. So we shot a couple of the pools over here. There are 4 on this property on the outside, one big one, the big pirate pool on the middle. This one connects up to the Skyliner here. You've got the bridge that walks you over to the main building. There's the Skyliner. The pink buildings are down this way. That's where the other small pool we just shot is. This is the one that's up near the Skyline. So when you guys are getting ready to leave the Caribbean Beach and go to the Skyline, it's up this way. Main building there, Skyliner up this way, guys. So this is one of the 4 smaller pools on the outside the Caribbean Beach. We're gonna get the other 2 shot up for you guys, but for now, this is a look at this one, and we'll see you guys on the next one.